Hello guys, welcome back to Principal Ideas and thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get free data from MTN, okay, without paying a dime, okay? Yes. So but before we get into the video, make sure you comment down below in the comment section if you don't understand anything in this video, okay? Let's jump right into the video, okay? So what you have to do is to head over to Play Store and then you search for this app called UT Loop Pro. Guys, make sure you don't click off this video because there's a secret behind this app of which I'm about to show you. It's actually two secrets, okay? So make sure you stay along with me. Now you can see this is the app over here. If we're this is your first time seeing this app, that's the interface of this app, okay? And that's the reviews on Play Store, okay? Now you can see I've already installed this, so I just have to tap on open, okay? Yes, but before I tap on open, guys, make sure you don't click up this video because you're about to execute the most important step to get a free data from this app, okay? Yes, so you just have to open the app and then you tap on this three dots over here. It says check updates. You need to have some small amount of data before you can update it, okay? I'm using the latest configuration, okay? Yes, so I don't need to update it anymore. So you just have to tap on the very first server list over there, okay? And then you can see we have servers from Canada, Germany, United Kingdom, United States, and all top tier countries, okay? Yes, and then you just have to select the second one which says tweaks list. That's actually your country, okay? You can see it works in Nigeria, um Egypt, Ghana, Argentina, Jamaica, United Kingdom, India, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, a lot of different countries, okay? So I'm in Ghana, so I just have to select Ghana, which says what, 500 megabytes per day, and I just have to tap on this button over here. Now it says uploading, so let's wait for it to connect. Guys, make sure you like the video if you are still watching it, okay? Yes, and now that it's connected, I'm about to share with you the two secrets behind this app, okay? So make sure you stay along with me because these two secrets is actually a hidden secret, so make sure you stay along with me. Don't click off the video. And guys, I'm sorry I couldn't show you the proof because of copyright issues. So now let's get right into the video. That's the secret over here. So the first secret is for you to add more time, okay?
A few moments later.
Now you can see I have what, 39 hours 31 minutes, okay? So you just have to add more time. And then the second trick, that's the exclusive bonus in this video, okay? Yes, you just have to dial this code if you are in Ghana, okay? That's for my Ghanaian subscribers. And then you just have to purchase a Masha bundle of 0.07, okay? Masha bundle of 0.07. So you just have to choose option 5, megabyte only, not airtime, okay? Not minutes. So you just have to choose payment method. You can use airtime and mobile money. And then for each mashup, that's 7% that you do, you'll be getting what, 50 megabytes WhatsApp bundle. So if you do it for 10 times, you will get what, 500 megabytes, and that will cost you what, 0 0.7 by 10, 0.07 by 10, that's what, 70 pesos. Now you can use this to connect it again. That's 500 megabytes to connect it again, okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.